Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into DJI SMARTFARM app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The DJI SMARTFARM app is a powerful tool for farmer using DJI Agra's drone. It lets you view mission data, flight path, and device status while planning and running, spraying, or spreading tasks efficiently. With field management features, team coordination, and rich data visualization, it's made for serious precision ag operation. On the downside, you need a compatible DJI hardware to get full value from the app, and a smaller farm or operator may find the subscription and setup cost highly. Some users also mention occasional connectivity issues or lag when syncing large dataset. So in my conclusion, if you're already running a DJI Agra's drones and want to level up your farm efficiency and data insight, the SMARTFARM app is definitely worth using. But if you're not using DJI hardware or are working on a tight budget, its value may be more limited. And that's it. I find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.